back, y'all. Welcome back to Vanessa Creative Beauty. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa with a double S. So in today's video is just a special announcement that a lot of you were asking, where's Vanessa? What is Vanessa doing? So without wasting your time, here's the announcement. I'm not stopping YouTube, okay? We are back, okay? Vanessa Creative Beauty is back with a bang. Yo, I mean, just look at this makeup, honey. So for more makeup tutorials, whatever beauty related, I'm sure you know you're at the right place. What you gotta do right now is just like this video, subscribe, and turn on that notification button so that you do not miss any of my videos starting now, okay? So in my next video, I'll be uploading how I did this look, this fine bomb look. I mean, the streets ain't safe, yo. You gotta be prepared. So guys, thank you so much for always believing in me and always asking, is everything okay? Okay, I'm perfectly fine and I hope you're all safe and sound. So let's get ready for more makeup videos. See you in my next makeup video. Thank you.